Yo YouTube, what up? This is Gsncards coming back at you once again, looking for an autograph box topper. First out of the gate, there's 4 hits in a box. '07 Upper Deck Masterpieces Baseball. Good luck. Last time we hit a Josh Hamilton auto, and this time, wow, not autograph, but the same freaking box topper for the Reds. For the Reds, we hit a Josh Hamilton box topper. This one is not autographed. It's kind of weird. So for the Reds, nice hit. Josh Hamilton. Near mint condition, got the autographed one. Near mint condition. So good luck. Pack number 1. Here we go. 3 jerseys and an on-card autograph per box. All base, like the base of this also. Next pack, we got for the Dodgers a Jackie Robinson green border. And our first hit for the Rays. He's having a good year. Maybe Yankees will pick him up next year. You never know. But Carl Crawford jersey. It says Devil Rays. As you know, they changed it to Rays. It's not the Devil Rays anymore. But Carl Crawford. Yeah, Lon Jimenez got roughed up tonight. Numbered out of 99 for the Pirates, Bill Mazeroski. Black border. For the Yankees, a Mr. Hideki Matsui green border. B Bruins, that's one of the most random comments in this room all night. But you were actually right. That's pretty nice. For the Giants, a rookie card of Tim Lincecum. Oh, it's a Family Guy. I actually watch Family Guy a lot. Back scratches. Get your back scratches here. Let's see. For the Red Sox, a green border of Carl Yastrzemski. So, last pack of the first half of the box. And it'll be a decoy, a rookie of Kagawa for the Yankees. Looking to pull a Tim Lincecum autograph. That would be nice. What is this? I don't know what color. Black border? Brown border? Oh, shit. Sick. Sick. For the Red Sox. That's really nice. I pulled this insert a bunch of times. That's actually a really nice card. Curt Schilling for the Red Sox. Bam. And bam. Where is it? Where is it? It's a 1 of 1. It's a 1 of 1. Let me try to get it on there. 1 of 1. It's not even going to show up on the blog. It's like hidden in there. You guys could kind of see it. It's by his knee. 1 of 1. Very nice card. I pull this card a lot. I'm going to zoom in on YouTube if you want to check it out. The bloggers later. It's kind of hard to see on blog, but 1 of 1, Curt Schilling, bloody sock for the Red Sox. That's sick. Very nice card. So, very nice 1 of 1. I was like, what the heck is this? Because I never saw a border like that. So, that's really cool. Congratulations to near mint condition on that one. Next up, Johan Santana, silver. That one's numbered 25 out of 50 for the Twins. And next is all base. How many packs left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs remaining. We're still looking for 3 more hits, including the autograph. For the Red Sox again, let me flip it over. A Manny Ramirez game used jersey. Manny Ramirez, Red Sox, doing well in this box. A Phil Hughes for the Yankees rookie card. You guys don't know if the 1 of 1 replaces like an autograph. Do you guys know? I never hit a 1 of 1 in this product. Sometimes like, no? Okay, good. For the Twins, Francisco Liriano, jersey with pinstripe. Well, in the Hambino, in the, what is it? The 08 Leaf Certified Material, someone told me a parallel numbered out of 5 replaces a hit. So, I don't know. A Craig Biggio, green border. Yeah, Twins are doing pretty good. Red Sox are cleaning up. And watch, the sweet spot, we're going to hit 3 David Ortiz jerseys. There's 3 packs left. This is the third of the pack. A green border, pretty nice. Derek Jeter green border for the Yankees. 2 packs remaining. Looking for that autograph. Looking for a Tim Lincecum. That would be nice, but we'll see. This will be the auto. And I see White Sox. Nice, very nice. For the White Sox, on-card autograph. On-card autograph of Mr. Jim Thome. Nice autograph there, too. So, in my opinion, a very, very nice box. Jim Thome autograph and that 1 of 1 of Curt Schilling. So, there it is. Very clean autograph there. We'll be back with the next box. Gsncards is out.